Spider-Man will now read a story. Are you listening, guys? I'm going to... Diri man namang storyteller sa app. Hey, you should listen to me, okay? Once upon a time, in the Old West, na ay T-Rex. A very big T-Rex.
It's T-Bone.
Ang name kay T-Bone. And then there are two park rangers named Aaron and LB. Gigukod sila sa T-Bone. Run! Ana si LB. We need to get our Sleepy Dart Park Ranger. Aaron, ana si LB. Okay, let's go to our warehouse. Dragon sila. Abot na yan sila. They get the Sleepy Dart na yan. A very big Sleepy Dart for LB and very small Sleepy Dart for Aaron. Now, gawas outside din sila. Nag-walk sila. Oh, you see that? That's the T-Bone outside. We need to go outside slowly. Very slowly nga walk, okay? Like that. Para di ta makita ni T-Bone, and we need to hit his bobot with the Sleepy Dart. Are you ready? Ingnan niya si Park Ranger Aaron kay si LB. Kay si Aaron man ang leader. Lakaw din sila sa outside. Very slowly. Quiet lang. Park Ranger Aaron nakahatching bitaw na si Aaron. Hatching! Ah! Nakakita si T-Bone ni Ana. Oh no! Mao din to nadagan din si Park Ranger LB. Hapit madakpang gikanan gibite. My God, nakalikay. Si Park Ranger Aaron og LB naigo sa hapit maigo sa ikog. May gani nakalikay na sa si Aaron og LB hapit maigo. Dagan, nagubba boom, naigubang ilang car, naigo sa T-Bone, na boom, natumbang lang car. Just like that. Natumba lang car. May gani, pagtalikod din siya ni T-Bone. Kitang ikog, nanam. Go, LB. Shoot with Sleepy Dart para makasleep si T-Bone. Oh, sa bubot, dapat sa bubot, paigo. Fire that T-Bone. Boom, fire. Talikod. Yan na talikod ng si T-Bone kita ng bubot just like this bubot. Boom, igo din niya. Naigo og Sleepy Dart. Oh, nalipong na itirahan ni Park Ranger LB.
Di man sila.
Oh, example ra ba? Example ako ang T-Bone na. Oh, tuyok ni siya lipong.
Si Spider-Man na.
Oh, boom, tumba din si Park si T-Bone. Nakadagawas din sila Park Ranger LB and Aaron sa car, ilagi ayo. Run din sila fast.
Spider-Man oy.
And back into the land of the people. Woohoo! Park Ranger LB and Aaron, they are all safe. Woohoo! And that's the end of the story. Are you having fun? Oh, you too? Yeah.
So mine.
And that's the end of the story.